Top headlines: India joins OECD G20 Inclusive Framework tax deal of global corporate tax. Government decides to bring retail wholesale trade under ambit of MSME. Finance Minister Sitaraman says government is playing proactive role in addressing price of essential commodities in the country. National COVID-19 recovery rate improves further to 97%. J&K: 5 terrorists associated with L&T terror outfit gunned down by security forces. National. Pregnant women can now take the COVID vaccine. Health Ministry. India's COVID vaccination coverage crosses 34 crore mark. COVID-19 second wave is not over. People should not lower their guard against this disease. Dr. V.K. Paul. Gulwez, a 13-year-old girl from Delhi, becomes the fastest solo book writer for completing her book, The Dead End, in just 1.5 hours, which creates a new world record and enters her name in the Inzoid Book of World Records edition 2021. 12 out of 22 districts in Haryana achieve target under Jal Jeevan Mission, Jal Shakti Ministry. Indian Railways maintain high momentum in freight loading earnings in June this year. To the international news, India registers strong protest with Pakistan over security breach of Indian High Commission complex in Islamabad. The UN chief urges Myanmar military to release Aung San Suu Kyi. WHO warns new COVID wave inevitable in Europe as cases rise by 10%. Afghan National Security and Defense Forces killed over 6,000 Taliban terrorists in June. Bangladesh sports second highest single-day COVID cases positivity rate. Sania Mirza, Rohan Boppana progressed to mixed doubles second round. Soman Manjal from Midinpur becomes first winner in Olympics quiz with Air News. Olympic series: Amit Fangal with his fierce punching is strong contender for medal at Tokyo Olympics. Joey Root leads England to 5-wicket win against Sri Lanka in ODI series opener. Delhi. Light rains witnessed in several parts of the national capital. Mumbai. BMC revises guidelines for vaccination at workplaces, housing societies. Manipur. There are 656 new COVID cases reported. Active cases stands at 5,970. West Bengal Assembly witnessed noisy scenes on the first day of the budget session. Chennai Air Customs officials found 107 live spiders in parcel arrived from Poland at the foreign post office.